Buckle up, DIY fans, as we kick off the countdown of the best drill for home projects and reveal the tools that can upgrade your toolkit in an instant. From compact, brushless marvels to heavy-duty workhorses, these picks balance power, precision, and comfortable handling for every task around the house. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill for home projects that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDC120VA100. This compact 20V max drill/driver is built for quick, everyday tasks around the home. Its lightweight and balanced grip reduce user fatigue during longer sessions, which matters when you're drilling into stud walls or assembling shelves after a weekend project. Two-speed gearbox gives a tidy balance between torque and speed, allowing precise sinking of screws with the 11-position clutch that prevents stripped fasteners. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes effortless, so you can switch from drilling into wood to driving screws without reaching for a separate driver. The trigger is responsive, delivering smooth acceleration for drilling pilot holes and set screws without snagging. And the included LED light on the housing helps illuminate dim corners or inside cabinet frames. The kit often includes a basic bit set and a charger, enabling you to start right away without chasing down extra pieces. In terms of ergonomics, the slim handle shape and balanced weight distribution feel comfortable in the hand, letting you work overhead or in tight corners with less strain. Battery life is practical for typical home tasks. You can complete mounting a bookshelf, install wall anchors, or assemble a small cabinet in a few sessions before needing a recharge. Tool's price-to-performance ratio is competitive, making it an attractive entry point for beginners who want a reusable, dependable drill without committing to a larger pro-grade model. Of course, as with any entry-level cordless drill, you won't find extreme torque for heavy-duty masonry or continuous pilot hole drilling through pressure-treated timber, but for occasional upgrades and weekend projects, it delivers reliability and simplicity. Compared to the DEKOPRO Drill Set. At number 4, we have the DEKOPRO Drill Set. This cordless drill set is designed for versatility and value, pairing a compact, balanced driver with a wide assortment of bits and driver heads that cover common home projects. Core drill features a 2-speed gearbox, a reasonable clutch range, and a forward/reverse control that makes driving screws in tight spaces manageable. The kit often includes a selection of twist bits, spade bits, masonry bits, and assorted screwdriver bits, all organized in a rugged carrying case that keeps everything together in your workshop or garage. Because this set emphasizes compatibility and expandability, it's easy to add more bits or swap in different tips as your projects grow from simple furniture assembly to more ambitious renovation. Its ergonomics are reliable, with a comfortable grip and a compact footprint that helps reduce wrist fatigue during longer sessions. Performance-wise, you get steady torque and predictable drilling depth, aided by a built-in LED that stays bright as you approach the work surface. In terms of maintenance, the deck of accessories is straightforward to replace, and the motor runs cool under typical household loads, which preserves battery life and overall longevity. From hanging pictures to installing shelves and updating door hinges, this DEKOPRO set offers a practical, budget-friendly pathway into cordless drilling. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER BDC120VA100. At number 3, we have the Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver Set. This compact, rechargeable driver is tailored for quick assembly tasks, delicate electronics, or light furniture building where precision matters more than brute torque. The unit typically features multiple speed settings, a tight output torque range, and a slim, ripple-free trigger that allows you to modulate speed with fine control. A generous collection of bits, Phillips, flathead, star, and specialty heads, gives you flexibility when working on flat-pack furniture or securing hardware in tight corners. Built-in safety features such as overload protection and a durable ergonomic handle help reduce fatigue, while a compact form factor makes it easy to store in a drawer or a small tool bag. A rechargeable battery can be charged with a standard micro USB or USB-C depending on the model, so you can power it up from a laptop or power bank during a garage project or a trip away from home. Because this screwdriver emphasizes control rather than heavy torque, it shines on cabinet installs, electronics mounting, and small repairs where accuracy matters more than speed. As a point of comparison, its feedback and steadiness set it apart from the DEKOPRO Drill Set, which I have included as number 4 on this list. At number 2, we have the BLACK+DECKER LDX120PK. This 2-piece cordless drill/driver kit represents a well-known entry point into the 20-volt max family, delivering a balanced mix of speed, accuracy, and value. The 2-speed gearbox and an 11-position clutch, you can tailor torque to the task at hand, whether you're driving pilot holes, drilling into soft pine, or fastening into harder hardwoods. 3/8-inch keyless chuck simplifies bit changes, and the forward/reverse switch is easily reachable for smooth control in awkward angles. An integrated LED light brightens the work surface, which is a practical aid when working in dim basements, closets, or under sinks. Included battery and charger ensure you're ready to go out of the box, and the overall design emphasizes a comfortable grip with a compact profile that isn't overwhelming in smaller spaces. While this kit is strong for everyday home projects, it's not built to replace heavy-duty professional tools for continuous masonry or extended heavy drilling. However, for installing fixtures, assembling furniture, and routine maintenance tasks, it offers dependable performance. Compared to the Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver Set, which I have included as number 3 on this list. At number 1, we have the HOTO Brushless Power Drill. This model represents a step up in efficiency, thanks to a brushless motor that delivers longer runtime, cooler operation, and higher overall reliability under repeated use. The brushless design translates to less heat buildup during longer drilling sessions, enabling you to work uninterrupted on projects like deck repairs, cabinet modifications, or medium-duty wall mounting. Robust 2-speed gearbox and a broad clutch range provide optimized torque at various drilling tasks, from delicate pilot holes in soft woods to more assertive drilling into tougher composites. The drill houses a user-friendly keyless chuck for fast bit changes and a responsive trigger that scales smoothly with your pressure, giving you precise control in tight spaces. Ergonomic considerations are notable here. Balanced grip, reduced vibration, and a compact footprint help maintain comfort over extended sessions, while the inclusion of a bright LED work light keeps the line of sight clear. This model often ships with a complimentary battery pack and rapid charger, so you spend less time waiting and more time building. For homeowners who plan to tackle multiple rooms and carry out a range of tasks, from hanging shelves to drilling into plywood to install new fixtures, this HOTO drill stands out as a reliable, high-performance core tool. Compared to the BLACK+DECKER LDX120PK, which I have included as number 2 on this list.